Hello, I started before I brought you along, but well, I haven't done that much. My quilt, that I called it the small big quilt, is because I'm going to do about 6 cot-sized quilts and quilt them all up, but not bind them. I will then attach them to one another as you attach quilt as you go blocks, and then I'll have a big quilt. So I thought these 6 mini quilts that are going to make up the big one, I'll do them all different varieties, different ways. So it's, instead of making 6 big quilts and seeing which one you prefer, I make 6 small quilts and then add them all together. But it's mainly going to be like red based, mine is. So for this first section, the first mini quilt, I've not used that because it's too pinky, but I've got these selection of reds, and I've worked out, I'll show you another time me working out, but I worked out do it basically in 2-inch strips because I'm going to do a log cabin effect similar to how I did Sam's blanket. So what I've got here now is I thought I'll have it sort of on the lines of light at the end of the tunnel, because I'll have the lighter squares inside and darker ones radiating out, and I've started doing that. So I started with the pink, added another one, and then a strip, then there, then across top, then down the side, and I've got 2 more to go, and then they should work out at the size that I want them, because I want 4 by 3. So, but that makes a total of 8 squares around that light one. I've only got 6 colours, 6 reds, so I can't do a whole round. So I was wondering what to do. I might do these 2 again, which is, that's the last one. And that's that one. So I might put a strip there and another strip there, and I've got more of this material than of the others, so I might actually do that. It's quite nice. Yes, I'll do that, and then I'm going to finish these 3 off, then I'll show you what they look like. And there is the first 3 done. So I wasn't going to cut out all the pieces I needed, but I wasn't going to do just one either. So 3 seemed like a fair number. Now I know they're alright, and they're working out at the size I want. According to my plan, I've got 3, so I need 9 more. So that's what I'm going to do now, is cut out what I need. Which is basically, because I've done a lot of this already, I put a pen in the end that I'd cut up, and then I know it's a straight line. So I want 9 of these. Don't think I'm going to have 9. 8. Would you add a need? I need one more square and that's all I've got, so I'll have to cut some more. So, and then I need 8 of these small red ones, and then when I've done that I'll take you to the sewing machine camera. I like chain piecing because it's far quicker, so that's what I'll be doing. So just get your, if it's a directional print or anything, make sure it's in the right direction. If it's got a right side, make sure it's right sides together. This material, with it being plain, it doesn't really matter on either of those things. Line it up. I'm using 1/4 inch seam allowance. Line them up as best as you can. So I'll now just carry on chain piecing all these, and then I'll press them and come back to you when we're on the next colour. Now I could cut the next colour in the strips the same size as the 2 bits that I've sewn together, but I'm not going to do that because then it's a lot of awkwardness piecing it together. So I'm just going to use a strip. Let's get it exactly right. Start it. Make sure your needle's down and just check everything is still lying flat where you want it. And I've done this one the wrong side. I think I've done this one the wrong side. Yes, I have done it the wrong side. So it's a good job that I put them next to me. I'll just unpick this a bit, and then see, had I not noticed it at this stage, had I noticed it when I was stitching them all together or anything like, stitch a load more on, I'd have just left it and it would have become the quirk. So let's try again. You don't have to get it exactly next to it, because you can trim it down, this strip, because obviously you are going to cut it anyway. Let's jut that one closer. That strip isn't long enough, but I've got another bit of a one here. And then all you have to do is cut them apart and press them back. And then it's the next colour. Now it's the next colour's turn, and I'm doing exactly the same. I've got by the side of me the ones that I've done, so I can check them, and I've just sewn this side on, so we need to put one across the bottom. So that goes in your sewing machine, which this one now here is, and sew away. And I think I'm going to need a bit more of this colour. I'm cutting. And then I'll press them back and move on to the next colour. And it's the same again, but with a different colour. Make sure you've only got one, because you don't want to be sewing two together. Press and next colour. It's better to check as you're going along instead of unpicking. That one has not gone together well. I'm going to definitely be squaring these up anyway, but that one will definitely need it. Some squares you get, some blocks you get perfect, some you don't. Rare thing, I'm on my own. Mason is downstairs asleep. asleep on the sofa. He went for a walk this morning and it took him out. Press and then we'll do the next colour. Sorry about that, card was full, so it switched itself off. So I had to go down and it's dark in here. That's it. So I had to go downstairs and put the footage that I've got onto the computer, and then because an awful lot of it, such as well, all of it from the same machine, I'm going to fast forward it, you know, time lapse it, whatever it's called. Press them back and lay them out and have a look. See you in a bit. There we are. One afternoon's work. If you can call it work, because I enjoy doing it. And we've got a total of 12 blocks, round about 8 inches. I need to check more and then sew them together, and that's the first large block of the large quilt. So hopefully see you again next week with another one. Just got to decide what I'm going to do. Thank you.